for Media Pipe Studio, which can recognize multiple objects. This is classification. Classification means that purpose. Object detection means where is that object? XY coordinates, there will be bounding boxes. Bounding boxes will be placed over there. So, search with the word called Media Pipe Studio. Media Pipe Studio. All this comes under computer vision. Yes, you can close the previous tab, madam, because web camera should be released. Yes, web camera will be released now. Media Pipe Studio. Now, it can identify n number of objects, almost 80 plus different objects you can identify. In coming sessions, we are going to learn how to make our own object detection. Instead of using existing pre-trained models, we'll learn how to try our own models. Okay, to detect our own objects also. We'll see that concept also. Yes, select object detection. Select object detection. Now, within few seconds, model will be loaded. It is still under progress. It takes 30 seconds around. Based upon your internet speed, model will be loaded. And it will identify person. It will identify almost 8 different type of objects. Yes, done. Observe now, with 80% confidence, it is recognizing as person. You can notice that. It is recognizing monitor as scheme with 44% confidence. So you can notice the bounding boxes also. You can notice the bounding boxes. They are called as bounding boxes. Yes, come back, madam. Now select hand gesture recognition. Come back to the hand gesture recognition. Okay, gesture recognition. Now when you detect your both hands, you can decode sign language. Sign language. Like deaf and dumb people will use a sign language. You can decode that sign language. Just show your fingers now. Your hand. Yes. Here you can notice the gesture also. Pointing up finger. Like this, yes, close fist. Open palm. Index finger up, index finger. Thumbs up, okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Here you can notice the name also. But this is hand gesture recognition. Next one. Come back, madam. Come back. Now select face landmark detection. Face landmark detection. In display mode, select grid render. Yes. Around 472 points will be placed. 478 points will be placed over your face. It will recognize whether you are smiling, laughing, happy, sad, crying. All these things can be recognized by this model. Tesla company, almost 1.5 years back, they launched one particular robot called Optimus. How many of you heard that Optimus robot? Optimus robot. Okay, it's a humanoid robot. Search for that word Optimus robot in Google. Search for that robot Optimus robot. Google a search once with the name Optimus Tesla robot. It's a humanoid robot. Thousands of people bought this robot. Yes, right. Search for the word Optimus robot. Optimus robot. From Tesla, yes, run this. Go to images. This is publicly available. This is one of the fantastic robots. One person bought this robot, okay, and he started playing rock, paper, scissors game. Rock, paper, scissors game. Do you know the rock, paper, scissors game? How many of you know rock, paper, scissors? Okay, most of you know. So, this guy started playing with that robot. First time they played, robot won the game. His owner said, I won the game. Owner means not anonymous. The person who bought this robot. That owner said, I won the game. Robot said, okay. Second time they played, again robot won the game. This guy said, I won the game. Robot said, okay. Third time they played the game. Again robot won the game. He said, I won the game. Robot said okay. After some time, this guy asked the robot, you know that you won the game. But when I said I won the game, why you said okay? Then the robot replied like this, I know, I won the game. But when you're talking with me, I observe your facial expressions. In future, if you lie to me, I can catch you. This is how robots are getting fined. Got it? It's not easy to escape from robots. So very long back, we used thermometers to measure your temperature. That is the thermometer inside your mouth or shoulder. But today, with IR sensors, with shooting guns, you have seen that shooting guns at COVID time, right? Without touching, they can identify your body temperature. Humans' level is very limited. You cannot hear ultrasounds. You cannot hear low decibel sounds. Human ears are very limited. When you compare it to dog smell, when you compare it your nose, dog nose and your nose, which is better? Obviously dog nose. Elephants can hear some tens of kilometer sounds through earth. Okay? So robots don't have such type of limitations. Doctors use stethoscope to listen your heartbeat. Okay? Why? Because the decimal his ear can't hear. His ear can't hear. That's why he uses stethoscope. But doctors can, robots can hear your accurate heartbeat also from long distance. Got it? There is a movie, Prakash Raj movie. Name Monarch and Never Mosam Failure. What is the dialogue? What is the dialogue? You know the dialogue? They are robots, you can't see them. Got it? So they can capture, there is one particular device, and search with this important one. Some devices will be placed over your head, on your head. Okay? It can capture what you are thinking. It can capture your passwords. Few months back, Meta company released beta version. Now search in Google, Meta company mind reading caps. Search in the word Meta company mind reading caps. It can detect what you are thinking. It can detect what you are thinking. In every class, one legend will be there. They will open their eyes, but they will see. Do you have such type of legend students in your class also? They will appear to be very attentive. Eyes will be bright, but from whatever they hear from this ear, they will believe from this ear. Got it? You have a famous dialogue also. Body present. Wow. So, if you place such type of things over your head, it will show what you are thinking. It can predict your passwords with high accuracy. Mind reading caps. It's a lot of good news also, madam. It's a lot of good news. You already know about Neuralink from Elon Musk. So, a number of things are happening. In the coming sessions, we'll discuss medical, we'll discuss related to electronics, literally all concepts we'll discuss. Continue making with your infographics, mind maps, PPTs. We'll continue other topics after some time. Okay?